I'm Nick Jackson. I'm a general surgeon with Norton Surgical Specialists in St. Matthews. I do the whole breadth of general surgery, ranging from gallbladder removals to inguinal or groin hernia repairs or abdominal hernia repairs, colonoscopy, breast surgery, pretty much anything that you can think of I'd like to do. I was drawn to surgery because I found that was where I could best use my skills. I'm very good kind of with my hands. Brought up by family doing fixing cars and doing woodworking, and really found my niche helping patients with my hands, and love the joy that I can bring to them by improving their quality of life pretty quickly after an operation. So when I first talk to a patient about an operation, I explain to them what their diagnosis is, what the problem is at hand, and what options we have to fix it, be that an open approach, a laparoscopic approach, or a robotic approach, and the different risks and benefits of those approaches, and really like to listen to what the patient prefers and what their worries and concerns are about each thing, and try to answer those questions before ultimately deciding on what route we'll take. I grew up here in Louisville, Kentucky, born and raised. Went down to Lexington, to the UK for my undergraduate and medical school training, and then stuck around there for my training in general surgery residency. Came back to Louisville, and I'm excited to be back here around family with my wife, my kid, and our 2 dogs. I really enjoy playing golf. My wife and I have always played for a long, long time since we were kids. We enjoy snow skiing, but do have to leave the state to do that. Woodworking is a fun hobby of mine. A lot of the furniture in our house is made by myself. And then we like taking our son and 2 dogs for long walks.